Look! Ken is already here. I bet Ken is very excited for another reading activity.
Wow!
Today, we will be learning how to read a sentence. Are you ready?
Yes!
I'm excited to hear you. Come on, kids, let's read.
Yahoo! Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
The hen. The hen has. The hen has 10. The hen has 10 eggs.
Wow!
The hen. The hen has. The hen has 10. The hen has 10 eggs.
Wow!
Now, kids, you read it all by yourself.
Wow!
Amazing!
We learned so much today.
Hooray!
Subscribe for more reading videos.
Yahoo!